Hi friends, I am Ankit and today I will show you how to privately reply to a message from a group. Friends, due to any reason, if you want to privately reply to a message posted in a WhatsApp group, for that first you need to open WhatsApp. In WhatsApp, open the group. Now someone posted this message in WhatsApp group. Now if I want to privately reply to this message in his chat window, for that I simply need to long press on this message and need to press on the three dots and here press on reply privately. Now friends, it has automatically taken me to the chat window of that person. Now friends, your replied message will look like this in private chat window. So friends, like this you can very easily privately reply to a message from a group. I hope you find this video useful.
If you like the video, then press on like button and don't forget to subscribe our channel and press on bell icon to receive email notifications free of cost.